This screencast is going to give you a little background on our cell organelles and cell functions assignment. This assignment is meant to help build your understanding of the cell organelles and their functions. So when you are completing this assignment, you can use the Cells and Heredity textbook, which we have in the classroom. There are also some other sources that have been given below, and you should use these sources as needed and able. One important point to make is that as you are completing this assignment, it would be a good idea to highlight key terminology and information that you feel will be beneficial for your assignment. Now, to start off, I'm going to ask that you define a few key terms: unicellular, multicellular, eukaryote, and prokaryote. And it would be a good idea, one of the best places you could look for to get these definitions would be from the textbook glossary, so the back of the textbook. After that, we're going to give a definition of what an organelle is. Again, it would be a good idea to use the glossary. And then we're going to look at some of the different parts of the cell, so all those different organelles within the cell, and some descriptions of those are given, and you need to name what organelles those are. And to help you with this, you can use the model that was provided in the daily slideshow. So look back at our slideshow in Canvas. You can use the textbook, and the pages are listed there. Or if you visit this website right here, that will have many of the organelle names and their functions. So there's a section here to go over the different organelles. And then we have a few questions for you, and your textbook will give you the best information for this section. So you can use your textbook. The pages are listed here to help guide you towards finding that information. Okay, and that is the section that's divided up into sections to help you. So if you do have any questions, again, please feel free to ask me, and I will help and guide you. Okay, thank you.